This is the KRAUS 33-inch Pro drop-in sink, and here's what stood out to me after installing it. So you can tell that it's 16 gauge stainless steel because it's heavy and it's solid and it doesn't feel like flimsy, thin, or noisy. Because we were doing this ourselves, the drop-in top mount made installation pretty straightforward. I also like that it comes with a bottom grid and drain, and the finish resists water spots better than my previous sink.
Ready? Yeah. You do it. Whoa. That's amazing.
Whoa, not my face faster.
This single bowl gives you a lot of space for larger pots. And like I mentioned before, the bottom grid and drain kit are included, which is nice because nothing extra is needed. So if you're upgrading your kitchen and you wanted to know, this feels like a quality long-term sink. I hope this helps.